In this set, it is given to us 12 students mentioned below from 4 different schools: ABS, XYS, PQS, and MKS. These are the 4 different schools. Okay, they participated in 3 inter-school competitions: acting, dancing, and singing. Acting, dancing, and singing. Okay, there were no ties. Each school was represented by only 1 student in each competition. So ABS has 1 participant in acting, ABS has 1 participant in dancing, 1 participant in singing. Similarly with XYS, PQS, and MKS. And the competitions are acting, dancing, singing. Okay. There are no ties, and points awarded for first, second, third, and fourth was 3, 2, 1, and 0. So points awarded are 3, 2, 1, 0. Ranks are first, second, third, and fourth. Okay. So we also have to check which school is which, how many are there. Okay, let's quickly glance through the data which is there. Ajay and Prakash are from ABS, both have scored points. Okay, we'll come to this later. Sunil, Akash and Amit could not score any points, and none of them is from MKS. Okay, Sunil, Akash and Amit could not score any points, so they will come fourth. These 4 will be Sunil, Akash and Amit, and none of them are from MKS. Okay, none of them are from MKS. Okay, so we know this part is Sunil, Akash and Amit. Okay, the overall points scored by the schools are in AP. Overall points are in AP. Now, what is the points awarded? For each event, you have 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. For each event, you have 6 points. So 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. So 6 3s are total points available are 18. Okay, right? Now you have to divide it into 4 parts such that it is a arithmetic progression. So average is 4.5. So one way to do it is 3, 6. Okay, one way is 0, 3, 6, 12. This is 1. Now, but 0, 3, 6, 12 is not possible because the maximum any school can get is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3, 3, 3. So this scenario is not possible. 0, 3, 6, 12 is not possible. Let's try something else. You can do 4.5, right? So 4, 5. You can do 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 3, 4, 5, 6. This is possible. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is possible. Right? This is an arithmetic progression. So, and no other values are possible because you cannot score half a point. So I know what is the distribution of marks which are there. I know what is the distribution of marks. So the marks are 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So we need to just know which one is which. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Which school got which. Okay. So this part is taken care of. Okay. Okay, Akash is the only student from XYS who did not come first and he participated in dancing. Okay, Akash is dancing and we know from here Akash did not score any points. So Akash is 0. Akash came 4th here. Okay, Akash came 4th here. Okay, he is from XYS. Okay, and he is the only one who did not come first from his school, which means the other 2 participants from his school came first. Now, the other participant cannot be in dancing, so this guy has to be from XYS. This guy also be from XYS. Now, the first person gets 3 marks, so XYS total gets 6 points. Okay, so first one is XYS. First one is XYS. Okay, so we have taken care of this. Okay, so Akash is gone. So one is Sunil, one is Amit, and we know both of them are not from MKS. They are not from MKS. Okay. Okay. Dheeraj and Pradeep came 3rd in singing and dancing respectively. Dheeraj and Pradeep came 3rd in singing and dancing respectively. Dheeraj is 3rd in singing. and Pradeep came third in dancing. Okay, we have taken care of this. Okay, Vijay and Neeraj came first in their respective competitions. So this is Vijay, Neeraj. 2 out of these 3 will be Vijay and Neeraj. Okay, we'll look at this later. Okay, XY has got the maximum points that we already know. PQ has got 4 points. This is PQS. Okay. So the remaining 2 schools are ABS and MKS. This is ABS or MKS. Okay. Now we know how he got 6. He got a 3, 3 and a 0. Okay. Now whoever is from MKS cannot come last, so he cannot get a 0. So for MKS to get 5, it will be 2, 2, 1. Sorry, 2, 2, second, second, third. 2 in 1, 2 in 1 and 1 in the other. Okay, or you can have 3, 2, 0, but 0 is not possible. So if MKS has 5 points, the distribution will be second, second and first. If MKS comes third, has only 3 points total, then the distribution will be 1, 1 and 1. Okay, we'll come to this later. Okay, so we have got this. Okay. Okay. Sandeep and Ajit are from the same school and have scored points, while Amit is from the same school and did not score any points in singing. Okay, so these 3 are from the same, okay, same school, okay, and they scored points, while Amit could not score any points in singing. Okay, so we know Amit is singing, so this has to be Sunil. Okay, so we have taken care of this. Only thing is they are not from Akash, MKS. Okay. Okay. Sandeep and Ajit are from the same school and have scored points, but Amit did not score any points in singing. Now Amit is here. Amit is here. So Sandeep and Akash, they have to be one of these 2 parts. Now Amit cannot be from XY, so Sandeep and Prakash cannot be from any of these 2. So Sandeep and Prakash can be either 3 and 2, one of these 2, or they can be 2 and 1, or they can be 1 and 2. Now if they do 1 and 2, the third one will be 0, 1 and 2, so they will get 5 points. If they take 3 and this one, 2 plus 1, the last will be, okay, if one of them comes first, one of them comes second, the mark scored will be 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 will be 5, right? If both of them come second, then the mark scored will be 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. If both of them, one of them comes second, one of them comes third, the mark score will be 2 plus 1, 3. But we know 3, this cannot be ABS, this cannot be MKS. So they have to be, this guy cannot be MKS. He cannot be MKS, right? Okay, let's keep it as it is. Okay, we'll look at this distribution even later. Okay, Ajit, Neeraj and Anil took part in acting. Ajit, Neeraj and Anil took part in acting. Okay, these are the 3 people who took part in acting. Now I know Neeraj came first, so this has to be Neeraj. Okay, this has to be Neeraj. Okay, then you have Ajit and Anil. One of them has to be Ajit, one of them has to be Anil. This has to be Ajit, this has to be Anil. Okay. Now, it says, now if you go back to the previous one, Sandeep and Ajit are from the same school. Okay, so Sandeep has to be here. Sandeep has to be either second or first here. Sandeep has to be at least second or first here. He can be either second or third here. So again, all the values are there. Okay. Okay. If you look at here, Ajay and Prakash are from ABS. Ajay and Prakash are from ABS and both have scored points. Ajay and Prakash are from ABS and have scored points. Ajay and Prakash are from ABS and both have scored points. Now let's see, this is Ajit, right? This is Ajit. Now we know everyone in singing, we know two people in dancing, we know this one, the two people in singing. Okay, now let's see where Ajay and Prakash can be fitted. Ajay and Prakash cannot come in acting, they have to take singing and dancing. One of them will take singing, one of them will take dancing. Okay, so right, so now singing, what are the positions available? Ajay and Prakash, so this will be Ajay or Prakash. Okay, this can be Ajay or Prakash, or this can be Ajay or Prakash. So, and both of them are from ABS, so this person has to be from ABS. Whoever is this person has to be from ABS. Okay, because Dheeraj is not from ABS, right? Dheeraj is not from ABS. Now, and the second ABS guy will be from one of these two places, Ajay or Prakash. So let's look at what are the points that ABS can get. ABS can get 2 from here and at least 2 from here, right? 2 points from here. So ABS gets at least 4 points. So ABS cannot get 3 points. So MKS will get 3 points. ABS will get 5 points. Right? Now to get 5 points, you can have 2, 2, 1, or you can have 3, 2 and 0. 3, 2 and 0. This can be 2, 2, 1 or 3, 2, 0. But we know MKS guy never finishes last. So he will be 1, 1 and 1. That's the only way to get him this. So all these people are from MKS. He is from MKS. He is from MKS. Okay. Okay. Now ABS is here, MKS is here. So last school here would be, you can have last school here will be PQS. Amit will be from PQS. Okay. Now let's look at here. Okay, MKS is fixed, XYS is fixed. You can be either ABS or PQS. Now if PQS comes last twice, then it will not be able to get 4 points. So this has to be ABS. This has to be ABS. So ABS gets a 0. So this will be 0, 2 and 3. That's the only way to get 5. So this will be ABS, this will be ABS. Okay, so to get 4 points, you cannot get you have already got a 0. You cannot get first. So 2 second positions will be for PQS. So these two people are from PQS. I can now erase these two. This will be PQS. This will also be PQS. So now I have fixed all the schools which are there. I know how they got the points. Now let's fix the people. Okay, this is Ajay or okay. Now this one says Ajay and Prakash are from ABS and both have scored points. So one of them is Ajay, one of them is Prakash. Okay. So these two are Ajay and Prakash, Ajay and Prakash. Okay. Ajay and Prakash, Ajay and Prakash. Okay. So now we know the toppers are Vijay, Neeraj. So Neeraj is here. This will be Ajay or Prakash. So this one has to be Vijay. Okay. So this is out. This is Ajay or Prakash. Okay, now PQS, two people came second. Okay, Ajay. Okay, let's see. Sandeep, Ajit are from the same school. Sandeep, where is Sandeep? Okay, and both of them have scored points. Okay, Ajit can be from here. Okay, now if Ajit is here, his classmates will be Pradeep and Dheeraj. That is not possible. So this cannot be Ajit. This has to be Anil. Okay, this has to be Anil. This has to be Ajit. Okay, so this one has to be Sandeep. Okay, and this is Ajay and Prakash. We still cannot find out who is Ajay, who is Prakash. Okay, so everything else is done, so we can answer the question. Who came second in dancing? Second in dancing is Sandeep, right? Option 1. Which school got the least total points? Least total points is MKS, option 1. Which competition did Vijay participate? Vijay participated in singing, option 2. Who won the dancing competition? Dancing competition was Ajay or Prakash. Ajay or Prakash, option 4. So that finishes our set.